Hello guys, how you all doing? And you're welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. On this channel I create amazing content on how to make money online. So if this is something you are interested in, please do well to like, share and subscribe so that whenever I drop a new video you will be notified. And to my old subscribers, you are welcome and I love you all. So today I'll be sharing with you how to make money online in 2022. There are a lot of ways to make money online. So today I'll be sharing with you some of the ways you can make money online in 2022. Yeah, the first on my list is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing has to do with promoting the goods and services of an organization and earning a commission for it. So in the description of this video I'll be dropping a link to some of the affiliate programs that I'm actually on. The next on my list is becoming a social media consultant. Yeah, becoming a social media consultant. Yeah, a lot of business owners are looking for ways to have a good online presence, but they don't know how to go about it. So if you are good at surfing the internet, creating Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, you can actually consider also doing this as well. You can actually earn an income from this too. The next is mini importation. Mini importation, yeah. Mini importation has to do with importing goods from other country and selling in your own country, and for the purpose of making profits. There are a lot of ways to you can actually sell your products online if you don't really have much funds to create a website, to own a website. You can actually sell on Facebook, Instagram, Konga, Jumia and Gigi, and Gigi. So the next way to make money online is through having a YouTube channel. Yeah, creating a YouTube channel. If there's something you are good at, you can actually teach people, because there's someone out there that doesn't know how, that's looking for a way to do that thing you know how to do but don't know how to go about it. So you can actually teach people. Creating a YouTube channel to teach people how to do that thing you know how to do. Yeah, I know you get what I'm saying. So the next way to make money online is becoming through graphic design. If you're someone who is good at graphic designs, you can actually make money from online selling your skills. Yeah, you can make money from selling your skill on Fiverr, Upwork as well. So if you've watched up to this point and you found this video informative, you can actually consider subscribing to this channel so that whenever I drop a new video you will be notified. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.